This is your Buck News.
Hello and welcome to Buck News. I'm Morgan Peffer.
And I'm Shelby Hoovler. There's less than 7 weeks until Christmas, so let's get in the spirit for CSU's 2018 Operation Christmas Child Packing Party.
Our goal is to pack 2,000 shoeboxes to send to children all over the world, and we need your help to do so. This event is in the Lightsey Chapel on November 15th at 8 p.m.
Don't miss a special night filled with gifts, joy, Christmas music, and hot chocolate.
Come support the CSU concert singers as they join the Charleston Symphony Orchestra and Symphony Chorus to perform Benjamin Britten's St. Nicholas. The concert is at the Gilliard Center on Friday, November 16th at 6:30 p.m.
This week's chapel will focus on Operation Christmas Child and what you can do to help kids during the holidays. On Monday, there will be a chamber ensemble concert presented by the Horton School of Music Instrumental Chamber in the Lightsey Chapel Auditorium at 7:30 p.m. Tuesday, there will be a Life After College Forum presented by the members of Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Inc. at 7:30 p.m. in the WCCL Room 111.
Wednesday, there will be auditions for 2 student-directed plays called Self-Titled and She Stoops to Conquer. Auditions will be at 6:30 p.m. in the Black Box. On Thursday, don't forget the Operation Christmas Child Packing Party in the Lightsey Chapel.
On Saturday, if you are looking to have a good time, there will be a swing dance presented by the Campus Activities Board at 7 p.m. And here's Lyndon Johnson with sports.
Hi, I'm London Johnson, and this is your CSU Sports Update. The volleyball team comes up with a clutch win on the road against Hampton 3-1 and Campbell 3-1. The senior duo of Hannah Weston and Madison Martin played big roles in the defense with 23 digs and 8 blocks, while Rachel Smith led the team with a season high of 23 assists. In the game against Campbell, defense played a big role again as junior Caitlin Mikowski had a team-high 13 blocks. With that win, the Bucks are 13-11 with the 6th seed in the Big South Volleyball Tournament. The football team gained a shutout win against Gardner-Webb 16-0. The win was paced by the offense with Terrence Wilson rushing for 137 yards and 2 touchdowns. Garrick Saig and Taquan Washington led the team with a combined 7 sacks. The men's basketball team lost against Florida 76-46. First team All-Conference junior Christian Killing led the team in points with 18, and Travis McConaughey led the team in rebounds with 9. The women's basketball team lost to Davidson 72-34. The highlight of the game was junior center Jasmine Blackman scored 10 points and 8 rebounds, and senior Joaquin Dunmore had 4 blocks and 2 steals. The men's and women's cross-country teams ended their season at the NCAA Regionals, where they placed 22nd for the men and 32nd for the women. On the men's side, junior Jarek Wilson placed 65 overall to lead the men, and on the women's side, freshman Caroline Eman capped off her great season by placing 86 overall in the women's race. The men's basketball team will go head-to-head in a contest against South Carolina State men's basketball team on Tuesday. The game is in the Buccaneer Fieldhouse at 7:30 p.m. Friday, women's basketball team heads to Orangeburg to steal a win from South Carolina State. The game will start at 5:30 p.m. Buccaneer football looks to finish the season strong Saturday as they travel to North Carolina to battle Campbell University. The game will start at 3 p.m. That was your CSU Sports Update. I'm London Johnson. Go Bucks.
Your forecast for the week.
Alumni and friends, if you're attending the South Carolina Baptist Convention at Mount Moriah Baptist, there will be a luncheon at Smoky Bones on November 13th at noon. The event is free for guests, but if you want a seat, then you must RSVP at the link below.
If you're looking to get in the holiday spirit, then the Holiday Festival of Lights is the event for you. It will begin on November 10th and will end on January 1st. For more information on pricing and hours, visit the link on the website below.
And that's your Buck News for the week. To submit news, photos, or video, email bucknews@csu.niv.edu.
Visit our website or social media for the latest news. Have a great week and go Bucks!